Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Missing emails can be a huge headache when you need to find important information fast. You might have accidentally deleted them or moved them to the wrong place. First, check your trash or deleted items folder. Most email services keep deleted items here for 30 days. If you find your message, select it and click Move to Inbox. Next, look in your spam or junk folder. Sometimes good emails get flagged as bad by mistake. If you see it there, mark it as not spam to send it back to your main list. Another common spot is the archive folder. Archiving hides messages without deleting them. Search for the sender's name or a keyword to find archived mail. You should also check your filters or rules. You may have a rule that automatically moves certain messages to specific folders. Go to your settings and look for filters and blocked addresses. Make sure no rules are hiding your mail. If you still cannot find it, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in specific words or the exact email address. Be sure to select the option to search all folders, including trash and spam. If the email is truly gone, it might have been permanently deleted after a certain time. Check your sync settings if you use a phone and a computer. Sometimes one device deletes mail from the server. Following these steps usually solves the problem quickly. You will have your important messages back where they belong in no time at all. This process works for Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail users alike.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.